Hello everyone who's going to be watching this, if you do watch it. Um, Apparently I had some problems with my other one that I did. I played this game before, but I had some issues apparently, so I'm going to try it again. Apparently, some of the music that was in the other videos that I made was not loved by Twitch or YouTube. So, decided to restart again, because I'm weird like that. And I do not wish to get in trouble by anyone, because that would be no fun. So, if anyone who watches this and give me some info on some how to link royalty-free music to this game so it's not so quiet, I would totally appreciate it. And I'm not going to go through the tutorial again. I have done that. I'm still not the greatest at this game. Nowhere near. I mess up from time to time, but I have done the tutorial like 3 times. So, you own a transportation company is now open for business, but sadly you lack the money to buy a truck. For now, you have to work for other companies as a driver for hire. Your task is to safely deliver a load of Digger 1000 to Sand Builders Dock in Birmingham. The employer has provided you with a vehicle and will cover all expenses. Don't let anyone down and arrive on time. So basically in this game, obviously by its name is your Euro truck driving simulator, you drive a truck, usually delivering some sort of object in the back. But as you get farther into the game, you get your own little company going. I get to be able to get my own company going, because I'm, I guess, picky about how my videos are. I don't know. I try not to be too picky about it, but at the same time, if somebody's going to do this, I suppose I should do it right, or at least give it my best ability to. And having some audio cut out from some of my videos kind of upsets me because of some music issues, so I figure I'll just do them over. Hopefully. The first time I did the videos, I was actually having a good time because I actually was able to get the car parts and everything on some of them. It was just like 3 times in a row. It was amazing. I was able to get it in the designated area. Because when you drop off the load, you actually have to park it in a specific place. You don't have to. You don't have to be an expert at it. But you can just push the enter button and it'll do it for you. You do get a little bit more experience from what I can tell when you do it that way. So there's some benefit to it. And hitting other people's cars does give you tickets and fines and so forth, so it's better not to do that in the long run. So hopefully there's a car coming on my side. I don't want to get hit. Oh. They really don't give you any caution whatsoever. They just like trying to run into you. But like, he'll pay my fees. I'm just like, no, I don't want to pay your fees. So, see, that's where they want me to park it. It's in that little tiny area over there. And I am in no way an expert at doing that. I'll try again though, just to do it. I did it a couple times, so maybe I'm getting really good at it. I'm getting way better than I was before originally. But at the same time, I know I'm horrible at it. Oh. Nothing in the way. And I get all mixed up. I think that's what causing it. Okay. So I need to turn my vehicle. Not enough. Apparently it wants it better than that. I think we can do it though. I can. I get paid by the miles I drive, so I don't know company in the right mind would hire me. Alright, I did it. Look at that. I'm so talented. I am so talented. So you get an extra, like, what, plus 45 experience? And it seemed like a lot, but when you realize that the base reward is only like 2 experience, and I go, this is your headquarters. It's pretty basic. It may not be much, but it's a start. Hold on real quick. For some reason, something is being blue. I don't know why. Right. It may not be much, but it's a start. Unfortunately, you haven't got anything to park there yet, so there are no trucks in sight. Once you've earned enough money and bought a truck, you'll be able to move into the world freely and run your own business. Good luck. hoping people can hear me. I'm not entirely sure. I'm still getting used to the whole mic, camera, and all that fun stuff. So, right now, since I don't have an actual truck to myself, I have not enough money to even buy a truck. I have to do, you know, jobs that I can get from other people. Now, I usually try to go by expiration because, I mean, if you get a truck, I'm assuming if you get it done in time, you can probably get more done. The sooner ones that are going to expire rather than the other ones. So, assuming we deliver this reservoir tank. I am going to try to lower the audio real quick. I'm sorry about this. I'm trying to get it all sorted out so it's not overwhelming. I apologize in advance. From what I can tell, it sounds pretty alright. Nice trick. I can't wait for the 1.7 update. I have no idea about any of the updates, Eagle Veteran. I've actually just started this whole thing. So I'm actually completely new. Other than the times I've done a few runs, I've gotten to the point where I've actually been able to buy my own truck. But outside that, I haven't really done much in this game. So I don't know what's going on with the 1.17 update. So, is there any information on that you can actually give me though? That'd be cool. Maybe I should look into it. Okay, I'm going to transport these bees. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. I'm going with this one. We're gonna do packaged food. Oh no. Apparently I am doing one. Awesome. Totally forgot. And does the stream sound okay, Eagle Vexen? Because I'm really trying to make sure it doesn't, like, overwhelm people. But at the same time, trying to not be annoying. But I know there's no actual music I can play right now without being yelled at. Which I am not sure. I like the one on the Route 66 truck. But I do not own it. It's a whole new map. So I'm curious, does that mean anything I do on this one I'm going to lose anyway? That'd be upsetting. Or is it like an add-on edition kind of thing? Yeah, DLC, I wonder. I like that. Trucks and trailers would be cool though. I got some of the DLC for this game because I actually really enjoy it. Even though most people tell me it's rather boring to stare at, but I enjoy it. So, they can bite me.